Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the lock type because the removal method differs. This matters for which screws and tools you'll use. Once identified, put on safety glasses and get a Phillips, flathead, and hex set. Start by opening the door and removing visible screws on the handle rows or faceplate. Some handles hide screws under a decorative cap, so pry gently with a flat tool. Make sure to hold the handle while loosening so it doesn't fall and damage the door. Once the trim is loose, you expose the spindle and latch. This is the critical middle step because the mechanism sits behind the handle. Remove the mounting screws that secure the lock body, keeping screws organized so reassembly is simple. Slide the spindle straight out. If it resists, wiggle gently while supporting the latch to avoid bending. Make sure to inspect the inside of the bore for retaining clips or hidden screws and remove them before pulling the lock body free. To finish, unscrew the latch faceplate and pull the latch assembly from the door edge. You may need to align the spindle to free it. Once removed, lay out parts in order and inspect for worn springs, stripped splines, or missing clips so you know what to replace. If the latch is stuck, apply a small amount of penetrating oil, wait a minute, then tap the assembly gently with a soft mallet while turning the spindle. If that fails, drill the retaining pin carefully as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.